So I took rest for a while. I thought about it, and I have to take a decision. So I said I will DNF.
रात में तो वो सच में वो कंफ्यूजिंग भी है और डरावना भी है।
मैंने रेस अक्रॉस इंडिया भी किया है, बट ये तो खतरनाक है। यहाँ पे तो क्लाइंब खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है। 60 किलोमीटर का कौन क्लाइंब रखता है दोस्तों?
I like the concept of the race being starting at the sea level. And going to one of the highest places in West Bengal. So we are now here at a beautiful beach of Digha, and everybody is eagerly waiting for the race to start.
स्टार्टिंग थोड़ा दिक्कत वाला हुआ, लेकिन बाद में एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
খুব ভালো এখনো পর্যন্ত।
আচ্ছা,
গতবারের তুলনায় এখনো পর্যন্ত আশা করছি বেটার জায়গায় আছে, বিকজ রেস ইজ এগেন্স্ট মি এগেন্স্ট মি।
yes,
এভরি ইয়ার দ্য নিউয়ার ভার্সন অফ মি।
Myself Arnav, along with the organizer, we found at least 40-50 people from all over the India who had shown their dare to take this challenge.
मैं मोहिंदर सिंह भारत।
Hi, my name is Anthony Machado.
मेरा नाम शिंदे योगेश नामदेव है।
Myself सूरज देशमुख।
Myself डॉक्टर मुस्तफा टोपीवाला।
मेरा नाम बजरंग है।
हेलो, मेरा नाम भास्कर वाघ है।
मैं एडवोकेट दत्तात्रेय चकोर। दिस इज लितेश एलवे।
हाय, आई एम शुरुजीत।
मुझे साइकिलिंग में सब लोग बोलते हैं कि एसआर फैक्ट्री, तो साइकिलिंग लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस मेरा पैशन है और मैं इसीलिए इधर कोस्ट टू क्रेस्ट के लिए आया हूँ।
অ্যাজ এ ট্যুরিং পারপাস সাইক্লিং নিয়ে পুরুলিয়া যাচ্ছিলাম, তো রাস্তাতেই ওর সঙ্গে আমার দেখা হয়, ও সাইক্লিং করতে বেরিয়েছিল।
গত বছর অ্যাজ এ ভলেন্টিয়ার ছিলাম আমি সিটুসিতে। তো যখন ঘুমে বুদ্ধু শেষ করলো তখন মনে হলো যে না, আমিও চালাবো সাইকেলিংটা। সেই জায়গাটাই ফেস এটা ডিপেন্ড করে যে আমি কিভাবে ওটাকে হ্যান্ডেল করছি। তো অবশ্যই তো পাশে যে বসে আছে সব থেকে বড় ইন্সপিরেশন অ্যাজ মাই সাপোর্ট সিস্টেম।
বড় ব্যাপার যেটা স্পোর্টসে থাকলে অনেক মেন্টাল ব্যারিয়ার ভেঙে যায়।
আমি বলবো হ্যাঁ, অনেক বাড়িতেই অবস্ট্রাকশনটা আসে যে এটা করা যাবে না, ওটা করা যাবে না। আমি ইটসেলফ আমি একটা হাউস ওয়াইফ, যে আমি বাড়ি রান্না করি, আমি বাজার করি, আমি বাড়ির সমস্ত কিছু কাজ করি, তারপরে আমার প্রফেশন অ্যান্ড দ্য লাস্ট যেটা আমার বেঁচে থাকার রসদ, যেটা আমি স্পোর্টস নিয়ে পাচ্ছি সেটা করি।
मेरी एज 70 है। मैंने साइकिलिंग स्टार्ट किया 55 की एज में। सोच एक ही है कि बच्चों के ऊपर लाइबिलिटी नहीं बनना है, तो इसीलिए हमें कंटिन्यू एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी, साइकिलिंग करनी पड़ेगी, कोई एक्टिविटी करनी पड़ेगी, जिसकी वजह से हम फिट रह सके। तो कोशिश करता हूँ फिट रहने की।
ইন্ড্রক্সের ফার্স্ট মোটোটাই হচ্ছে তোমার সাইকেল যাতে আরও লোকে বেশি করে চালায় তার জন্য মোটিভেট করা। তো এর জন্য আমরা কী করি, ম্যাক্সিমাম ইভেন্টে আমরা পার্টিসিপেট করি, আর যারা সাইক্লিস্ট থাকে তাদের জন্য একটা স্পেশাল অফার দিই, 50% ডিসকাউন্ট দিই। প্রত্যেকটা সাইকেলে অন এমআরপি 50% ডিসকাউন্ট পাবে তাতে তারা বেশি করে সাইকেল চালায়। সাইকেল চালালে যেটা আমাদের একটা তো হেলথ ভালোই থাকে, তার সাথে পরিবেশ বান্ধব জিনিস, যেটা পরিবেশের পক্ষে খুবই ভালো। তো লোকে আরও করে সাইকেল চালায়, আর সাইকেল আরও আমরা যাতে একটা ভালো ফিউচার দিতে যেতে পারি সাইকেল চালিয়ে।
And our sponsors all around, we would like to thank you all for participating and making the Coast to Crest Part 2 successful. It would not have been complete without all of you. So I would like to start the evening by calling our race director and our brand ambassador for the Coast to Crest second edition, Dr. Mahajan, please.
Thank you C2C team for inviting me. Actually they wanted me to race, but I'm not in my great shape, and there are certain injuries which I am overcoming, so I'm not racing. C2C was, I think, a brainchild of Pinaki and Supritim. And he wanted to do something in the east part of this part of the country. I'm very happy to see so many participants all over India coming for this race.
The next, I would really appreciate and thank someone सुबह से जो सिर्फ चक्का खोल रहा है, चेन उतार रहा है, चक्का लगा रहा है, चेन पहना रहा है. I would like to call Sunny from Dreamwork Bike. Sure. Can I get that? And they have supported us last year as well as this year. Please, someone from Hotel Ridley International. So how do you feel when last year तो first year था, again we've come back to you क्योंकि obviously आप लोग का service जो था last year was incredible, इसीलिए again we vouched for Hotel Ridley and we made sure that all our races who've come from across India, you know, stay here. तो एक कुछ अगर बोल देते तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है सबके लिए.
Actually it's a privilege from our side to host C2C, and we'll keep coming all of you again next year maybe. So that's what we are looking for. And thank you very much. Thank you.
फैन फॉलोइंग हो गया था, मतलब पुलिस आने ही वाला था कि यहाँ भीड़ क्यों है, क्या राज है सर का. फेसबुक में भी सर आपका फॉलोअर्स भी बढ़ गए तुरंत, शायद 20-30 सुबह मैंने देखा अपने आंखों से. सर प्लीज अगर आप कुछ बोलते हैं हम लोग के लिए, प्लीज जस्ट अ फ्यू वर्ड्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, द इवेंट, द रेसर्स, द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स.
हेल्थ के लिए मैं बोलूँगा कि आदमी ने कोई भी एक्टिविटी जो अच्छी लगती है वो करना चाहिए. मुझे साइकिलिंग अच्छी लगती है, इसीलिए मैं साइकिलिंग करता हूँ और फिट रहने की कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि मैं अपने बच्चों पर लाइबिलिटी ना बनूँ. वैसे ही आप भी सोचिए, फिट रहिए, तंदुरुस्त रहिए और खुश रहिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much. Now while she is on her way to the stage to stand here, we in Kolkata we have a shop called Pedal Striders. It was owned by one of our fellow riders, Ayush. Unfortunately, we lost Ayush last year due to a motorbike accident, and he was in his teens. He was bright, he was brilliant, and you know, he formed this cycling group. He would take them out for long rides, trail rides. कुछ भी होता था, cycle में puncture, I need to upgrade, I need to buy lights. Pedal Strider was the name. But Ayush is no more with us. आज Ayush का sister has joined us. She was very excited because Ayush would always talk to her and his family about this C2C. He always wanted to be a part of us. Unfortunately, he's not there with us today. But we have his sister, and she would like to give away a prize for the most promising rider, and we have her. So this was Ayush's dream, Didi, and unfortunately he is not there with us today, but we are there, all of us are there. So don't worry, we are there with you, and you all know that we are a call away. कोई भी होता है, कोई भी issues होता है, you know, in regards to the shop, in regards to the family, हम लोग हैं. अगर आयुष नहीं है तो आपका बाकी सब भाई is there with you.
I am going to give you the brief of this race, the rules, the road, everything. So can you read the GPX file first of all? So you have to carry, you have to keep safe this handbook up to the race end. Find the sequence. So at sharp 5 a.m. we shall start the race marked, and last one you have to carry for our grand dinner at Glenaries at Darjeeling after the race on the 30th night. Cross the Digha gate. Remember, before Digha gate you will take the right turn. So we will carry over you with this semicircle, with this full circle. You will get on the, we call it Bombay Highway. You can find out also the toy train line, and this toy train line will be with you up to Ghum. It will stop you, it will stop at the Sukna mode. And the best climber will get a prize also. So when you are leaving the station, there will be a special column at Siliguri time station, check out time. So it's your responsibility. If you want to take that prize, you have to give the checkout time also when you are leaving.
It is very lonely place. I had to walk, then I had to manually shift the chain to the, you know, to the easier gear, and then I was riding, and then as soon as the cycle used to go over the track, तो मेरे को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुआ और रात हो गई थी. मैंने एक्चुअली दोपहर में शुरू किया था वो क्लाइंब, तो अराउंड 3 बजे वगैरह. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था अभी तो मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा 7-8 बजे तक शाम को, but it took me 11 o'clock, very cold, and of course there will be a lot of these tracks coming. 100, I think you will cross that toy train track more than 100 times. वही मैं बताया ना आपको, मुझे लगा था कि मैं 5 घंटे में पहुंच जाऊंगा, 5-6 घंटे में. मैंने वो आई थिंक क्लाइंब कुछ दोपहर में 3-4 बजे शुरू किया था, तो रात में तो वो सच में वो कंफ्यूजिंग भी है और डरावना भी है.
And our prize distribution also will be there. And after finishing this prize distribution and this dinner, we shall finish our race.
Fresh and excited.
Thank you.
All the way, go, you are good to go, all the way.
Come on, Vijay, come on.
Go. All the way. To go, all the way, sir. Next rider. Go on the stage. To go, all the way. One, you are good to go, all the way. Go, go, go. All the best, all the best. You are good to go. All the best. You are good to go. All the best. All the best. Oh, all the best, all the best. All the best. Next rider. Faster walk. Enjoy your journey. Next, all the best, all the best. Enjoy your journey. Yes, Parasite. You are good to go. All the best, all the best. You are good to go. All the best. Next rider, shooting. You are good to go. All the best, all the best. You are good to go. All the best, all the best. Enjoy your journey. Wow. All the best, all the best. All the best, all the best. All the best. Next rider. You are good to go. All the best, all the best. You are good to go. All the best, all the best. Good to go, sir. All the best. All the best, all the best. Okay.
Morning, sir. How's the dose?
All good. So far, so good. Just started.
When the wheels roll, there's no looking back. This is the beginning of something powerful. This is race day. This is more than a race. It's a test of will, speed, and spirit. This is it. The grind, the rush, the ride of your life. Every breath counts. Every second matters. Every push, every pedal, a step closer to the edge. You don't race to beat others. You race to beat yesterday's you. Checkpoint 1. Not the end, just a breath. A pause between the push and the promise. They've felt the traffic, the headwind, the heat, and yet, not one soul here is backing down. Fatigue? Sure. Muscles ache, lungs burn. But look closer. What lives here is something stronger. Grit, camaraderie, spirit that doesn't crack under miles. The day may be fading, but the journey is just hitting its stride. This is where champions are carved, not at the finish line, but in the in-between. Checkpoint 2. The light has gone, but not from their eyes. Sun has fully set. Riders recharging with food and gearing up to ride into the night. They've covered the miles, climbed the gradients, chased the horizon all day long. Now they rest, not to stop, but to refuel, to honor the journey so far and the road still ahead. This is the moment most forget, when comfort call, but the brave press on. Dinner's done, spirits full, wheels rolling again. Because night or not, this ride is far from over. This is the place they don't tell you about, where the body whispers, stop, and the mind starts to listen. Muscles ache, eyes blur. Even the silence feels heavier. 500 kilometers behind them, it feels like a lifetime since sunrise. But somehow they're still here, still moving, no crowds.
My name is Full Bajrang Uttam Kahat.
No finish line yet.
আমার লাইফে প্রথমবার টানা 500 কিলোমিটার চালালাম এখন 1-2 ঘন্টা রেস্ট নেওয়াটা খুব দরকার
ये साइकिलिंग करके कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है ये जो हैप्पीनेस है
ये खत्म होने के बाद जो फील आता है ना, और लोग जो ये करते हैं ना, तो ऐसा लगता है कि यार
15 दिन
कुछ किया है।
15 दिन तो पेन जाता नहीं है।
सब लोग पूछता है क्या मिलेगा, वो खुद
क्या मेरा पहला अल्ट्रा इवेंट करके आया था ना लास्ट टाइम, डेकन क्लिफ हैंगर के थ्रो, विच इज 645 किलोमीटर, पुणे टू गोवा। मैंने वो 29 आवर्स में किया था। तो मेरे ना 15 दिन आवाज़ ही नहीं आती थी, मैं ऐसे बोलता।
And the road is still asking for more.
नेक्स्ट ईयर फुल आयरन बन जा रहे हैं। हाफ आयरन में 2 बार कंप्लीट हो गया।
बॉडी ठीक है, बस थोड़ा सा लिटिल बॉडी में कहीं ना कहीं पेन है, और ख़त्म हो जाएगा बस।
बहुत
रात तक ख़त्म हो जाएगा।
Just riders the night in their will to keep going.
हाउ डू यू फील?
डिस्टेंस में कुछ नहीं है, मैंने 1200 के LRM भी किया है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा टाइम का मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए, इसमें टाइम का लिमिट है ना।
चल रहा है।
स्टार्टिंग थोड़ा दिक्कत वाला हुआ, लेकिन बाद में एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
आप बताइए सर, आपका कैसा चल रहा है रेस अभी तक?
गुड सर, आपकी इतनी अच्छी टीम है, इतना बढ़िया ऑर्गेनाइज है, टू गुड, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं, एकदम मस्त चल रहा है। तकलीफ बहुत है, लेकिन अभी वो मैं बता नहीं सकता आपको। वो हमारी राइडिंग फिनिश हो जाएगी तो मैं सब बताऊंगा आपको, अभी कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा। अभी एकदम बढ़िया है, मस्त चल रही साइकिल, और आप लोग बहुत अच्छा हेल्प कर रहे हैं, थैंक यू। तो जब सब हो जाएगा तो मैं सारी तकलीफ बताऊंगा बाद में। थैंक यू।
चलिए
तकलीफ कहाँ से आवाज आता है?
क्या है, अभी मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा
सर। चलो चलो मिलते हैं सर फिर घूम पे।
50 है ना अभी?
ऑलमोस्ट।
उसके बाद डायरेक्ट फिर
सिलीगुड़ी। चलिए सर, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
The sun is barely up, just a whisper of gold on the edge of a sky that's still waking up. The night has passed, but the darkness hasn't fully lifted. They've gone too far to quit, slept too little, felt too much, but the road demands more. This is the grind before the glory, the test that breaks the body or builds the soul. Every push now isn't just forward, it's upward, through pain, through doubt, through dawn. The last leg for the foothills of the Himalayas will begin from this time station. Ahead lies the final challenge, the foothills of the Himalayas. Every rider knows this is where strength ends and spirit takes over.
लॉक हो गया है वो, ये है ना।
Lost in the dark, but they ride on. No lights, no crowd, no certainty. Only the road beneath and Siliguri ahead. Their eyes may blur, but the purpose stays sharp. Siliguri waits, and so they ride. Oof, that's a powerful moment, the kind that gives you chills. After a full day of grind, pain, and perseverance, now they stand at the base of giants. They've crossed towns, rivers, plains, pushed through pain, silence, and sunburnt roads. Now, after a day that's tested every inch of who they are, they've arrived Siliguri, the final checkpoint, the gate to the mountains. This is where the real climb begins, where the road rises, and so must they, 766 kilometers behind them. Mountains ahead, and one last truth to face. The hardest part was never behind. This isn't the end, it's the threshold. Beyond here, it's not about speed, it's about heart. They're not just chasing a finish line, they're chasing the summit of their spirit. The mountain waits, and they're ready.
क्या हाल है सर? क्या हाल है? बढ़िया भाई। चल रहा है? बहुत ट्रैफिक है।
John is not just leading the race, he's rewriting the very definition of endurance. While others are chasing checkpoints, John's chasing history, blowing the competition out of the water. He reaches Siliguri, not just first, but alone, before anyone else even touches the foothills. But he doesn't stop there. While others are still arriving, John is already climbing. The climb bends to his will, as if the mountain itself knows greatness is passing through. Legends don't wait at the finish line, they define it. Split in time, two kinds of grit happening at once. Some riders deep in the climb under stars, others just arriving at Siliguri. Some riders are already on the dark winding mountain roads. Others are arriving at Siliguri base, exhausted, hungry, but determined. Up there, it's just legs, lungs, and headlamps. No cheering crowds, no clock. Just gravity and grit. Back at the base, others are just arriving, tired, starving, but smiling. Sometimes victory doesn't look like a podium. It looks like hot noodles at midnight and your closest brothers/rivals. In a hill waiting patiently in the dark, the climb doesn't wait, and neither do they. Some are ahead, some are catching up, but everyone's chasing the same summit, in their own time, in their own way. The climb has begun, wherever you are. This is the emotional crescendo, a race split across timelines, where the strongest are tasting victory, the rest are still deep in the battle, and yet, they're all part of the same story. At the peak, the first finishers are arriving. For them, the struggle has become celebration. The summit is no longer a dream, it's beneath their feet. But for others, the climb continues. Every pedal stroke is a promise to not give up now, and some are only just beginning the final ascent. Late, maybe, but never too late to rise. And some are only just beginning the final ascent. Some are done, some are dreaming, all are daring. This isn't just about who finishes first, it's about finishing at all. The sun is rising again, but this time everything looks different. The grind hasn't ended, the legs still burn, the breath still fights. But now, the reward begins to reveal itself. This is what they climb for, not just the view, but this feeling one by one they arrive, not racing anymore, just finishing, because the finish line was never just a banner. It was this moment. They climbed through the night, through pain, through doubt. And now the mountain has shown them why it was worth it. The journey still lives in their legs, but now so does the view.
কত মিনিটের জন্য র্যাম্প কোয়ালিফাই করলেন না?
আমি অনেকক্ষণের জন্য পড়ি না, লিটসে 8 ঘন্টা অ্যাপ্রক্স।
मैकेनिकल प्रॉब्लम्स है साइकिल को, वो बात गिरा, लाइट्स टूट गया, बट गॉड्स प्लान यू नो, खाना था कि हो ही जाएगा। Smiling, laughing, hi.
Hi. So you have raced many across India. How's this race compared to the races you have been done?
Having said that, this race is also equally challenging and I really enjoy it.
Okay, so how's your journey been through the race? You have been in a Godspeed mode throughout the race.
It's perfect, I should say, though I'm not able to ride the way I wanted, the way I planned. Still, it's perfectly fine and I enjoy traveling.
You were traveling so fast that we weren't able to catch you. So, like the speed which you maintained throughout the race and the mentality that you had, how do you tell your future people to maintain those things?
Just keeping the consistency and the determination. I think that matters. Thank you.
ठीक, अरे बैठो ना, हम लोग तो बैठे बैठे कमर दर्द हो गया।
जब तक आदमी की हवा निकल गई होती है चालू हो जाता है।
अभी तक का जर्नी आपका कैसा रहा?
बढ़िया रहा, बहुत अच्छा।
शिलीगुड़ी से जो ये जो 64 किलोमीटर्स, लास्ट 64 किलोमीटर्स, वो कैसा है अभी तक जो आया?
अभी तक आया, बीच बीच पैचेस में काफ़ी मतलब ग्रेडियंट ज़्यादा था, वो मुश्किल हुआ मेरे को। मैं फिर उतर के चल लेता हूँ थोड़ा, क्योंकि वो उतना मेरे नी उतना सपोर्ट नहीं करता है, इसके हिसाब से फर्क पड़ जाता है।
और भी बड़ा व्हील चाहिए
नहीं, वो इतना ही बहुत हो गया। तो फिर ऐसा जगह पे घूमने लग जाता है।
और आप तो बहुत राइड कर चुके हो ये रोड, जब जितने देर तक आप आए, तो फ्यूचर जो लोग यहाँ से आएंगे तो उनको लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
के लिए बोलूँगा तैयारी करके आइए अच्छी तरह से। मैंने बहुत तैयारी की थी लेकिन कम पड़ गई।
आराम से आइए, हम लोग वेट करते हैं, पहुंच जाएंगे। पूरा ट्रैफिक है।
Start the program with thanking with our
today's host, Mr. Abel, who is now running this decade-old. Abel, how old the Glenary is? Please come on the stage.
Well, the building was opened in 1888.
1888.
Yeah.
That means it's more than 200 years.
Yeah, that is when the building was opened
Building
up.
was opened.
Yeah.
Success party of edition 2. Yes. And going for edition 3 next year. And do you want to come back next year?
Next, absolutely.
I would like to do something like that.
Or in future, I would like to come here again and again.
ए दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
बहुत सारा मजा आया उसमें। हमने बहुत सारा एंजॉय भी किया, बहुत सारा पब्लिक ट्रैफिक का मजा भी लिया बोल सकते हैं, और उनका जो गलती हुआ या उनसे सीखने को भी बहुत कुछ मिला। लेकिन जो क्लाइंब रखा है बहुत ही टफेस्ट एंड बहुत ही साइक्लिस्ट के लिए मैं तो बोलता हूँ एकदम स्पेशल है।
Just see to see race is India's first Eastern event. It was a beautiful event, very professionally organized. Volunteer, the organizer, they're very efficient. I'm really happy and honored to be part of it. And thank you.
हाय, आई एम आदित्य। ये मेरा C2C का सेकेंड एडिशन है। इससे पहले भी हम C2C फर्स्ट एडिशन में था, सेकंड में भी है। फर्स्ट में मेरा हैंगर टूट गया था तो हम DNF हो गया, सेकंड में पर फोर्थ फिनिश किया। C2C सोच के खैर थोड़ा सा डर लगता है थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि आई थिंक इंडिया का सबसे डिफिकल्ट रेस है, सबसे डिफिकल्ट जो भी है।
जब अपने दीघा से स्टार्ट किया बीच से तो पहाड़ी तक था, उसमें बहुत इंजॉय किया फील। रात में जब चढ़ने का स्टार्टिंग किया 6 बजे हमने, सबसे ज़्यादा प्लेन रोड पे तो ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आया, पर जब क्लाइंब स्टार्ट हुआ तो बहुत, कहाँ पे एक ही रोड दिखता था, किधर से भी जाए तो एक ही रोड आ रहा था, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम कुछ चूक गए।
अभी ये रेस के बारे में बोलेंगे तो दिस वाज अन एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि मैंने तो अभी इससे पहले इतना बड़ा क्लाइंब तो कभी जिंदगी में चढ़ा नहीं है, ना ही गाड़ी पे, ना बाइक पे, ना पैदल भी। तो ये साइकिलिंग पे चढ़ना, इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू।
And Coast to Crest second edition has successfully delivered his job. So myself, Arnab, I'm representing Psychology. Along with me, our race director, Abhishek Tunga, the founder and the representative of DQuest Adventure Sports. As we all know, the both club has delivered the event, the benchmark event for the Eastern India, as well as the one and only ultra endurance cycling race for this region. Today we will conclude with the prizes, and before that I want to thanks again for our sponsors like Octavius Teas. We want to thank Hotel Ridley who has hospitalized us in Digha. We want to thank Glenaries again who has hosted us here. Want to thank Hive who has crafted and gave us the jerseys. We want to thank Bepocard as our prize partner. We will hand it over the Bepocard prizes within next few minutes. Skin Easy, who always extend help from the first edition of the event and who are taking care of our chapping things. Switch On, they are our sustainability partner. They advised us how to do the events with more sustainable way so that we will pollute less to the environment. Get Set Go Hub Outdoor, the owner is here. So Urgen sir is our one-stop bike solution partner. Some place where everything is not available, ready to go away, but he is the person who make the things ready to go for us. We want to thank Boss India, who is our power partner. We have a bike partner in Kolkata. So, what is the name, Sachin? What's your shop name?
Dream Bike Works.
Dream Bike Workshop. And last but not the least, the Fasten Up, the hydration partner, like the last year also, they come up with their hydration solution. So these are our partners who stands besides us and make this event grand. Just quickly, I want to thank again Amit sir, Mahajan sir, for again and again helping us. And if he has not helped us with the event, and if you are not participate on the event and create the benchmark, maybe India will not know that what Coast to Crest is. Where is that old man whose name is Kishore? So, as I was telling that, we got supports from the different parts of the country, different corners of the country. The Nagpur legend is there. Another Western Parts legend is there. Veteran. आप नेक्स्ट ईयर ना खेलने का अभी से बहाना मार रहे हो. तो वेटरन आपका पास बगल में खड़ा है, बाद में आ रहा है. तो there is another guy who has helped us as much as I know, who has helped in the first edition also regarding the
इवेंट बहुत अच्छा था. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया. मुझे उसके लिए कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है. और रोड खराब होने की वजह से मैं नहीं कर पाया, इसका मुझे दुख है.
But the man who has executed the whole things from the background, and you all know that our 360-degree personalities, the scholar from Jadavpur University, prestigious, the professor by profession, and also hotelier owning 5 hotels, also a mountaineer with several records, amazing several records holded, and also our co-organizer and my partner and partners in crime in Coast to Crest, Abhishek Tunga, the race director of Coast to Crest Edition 2.
Okay. Thank you everyone and for attending this session, the dinner party of Coast to Crest, and especially thanks to Arnav. I wonder why how he got so much energy after riding the 830 kilometer. Everyone is a winner. Those who have finished, also those who have not finished, because they are the big learner. They know how to finish. They will know now how to finish the race, how to train the program. So I think they will come back very stronger again. Those who have not finished, and those who have finished, I think they will get the more faster time. So this is now, I am now starting our program of prize distribution. Those who have given their best effort and hold the first, second, third place, or so first is the best male finisher. So no other than he is faster than wind and stronger than tide. John Gavitt, first male finisher. And I am calling Mahajan sir to hand over.
जॉन ने बहुत लोगों के दिल जीते हैं. जॉन ने एक एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है और हम सबको जॉन जैसा स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना है.
The first prize provided by Bepocart.
We look forward to you.
Yes. So next one is the best promising rider. Is for the youngest rider who are emerging. So we shall give this prize the youngest member who have done the RAM qualification, and this prize will be given by Kishore Kale sir. So this prize will be given to Aditya Singh. Best veteran rider Mahinder Singh Barwat ji, who himself is a surprise, the youngest person. But more prizes are there. So the last trophy is for best climber, king of mountains, and we have decided by the checkout time at at Siliguri and check-in time at Ghum, and the best climber, I mean the cyclist climber, is none other than again John Goet. He has taken 5 hours only. 5 hours took around 2,300 meter climb. 2,000 meter climb.
I'm really happy to be part of the C2C. Thank you to all the volunteers and the organizer. Organizing such a big event is a very tough one. Very professional and very efficient, I should say. All the checkpoint, whatever time they are available. And I think this is the only time, the only event, because most of the time I'm doing DRM. So where I get to meet volunteers. So I'm really, really happy and thankful to all the volunteer and organizer.
Before we conclude, everybody of you want 3 tips from. 3 tips. सबके लिए.
Yes.
There is no shortcut. So one has to be very disciplined.
In the training aspect.
In the training.
Second is same.
Sometimes it is boring to train every day. But make your training habit interesting. Make it in such a way that it will prompt you to do workout every day.
Third tip.
Okay. Every ride is a learning distinct experience. Let me share you one of my experience. We are all a winner in one way or the other. We learn. 2020 September, I think I did my first climbing CKB. I have 0 experience, no experience at all at climbing. So I started off 600, I completed halfway. But somehow my Garmin, there was some problem with my Garmin. So it is taking me off route. So I was lost somewhere. And the organizer were kind enough. They lead me to the nearest CP. They said, John, you take rest for a while, wait for the next rider, and you can ride with them the rest of the 600. So I took rest for a while. I thought about it, and I have to take a decision. So I said, I will DNF. There is 2 reasons for this. It was a very difficult decision to make. The first one, I am not comfortable depending on somebody for a 600 kilometer, the race of 600 kilometer. And number 2, I wanted to finish the event the way I wanted on my terms. So I quit. And now when I look back, 3 years down the line when I look back, I think that was one of the best decisions I made in my cycling journey. Why? Because when I quit, I look back, I analyze what went wrong, how to improve the climbing. So I did a lot of thinking. Had I completed that ride with someone's help, I would not have done this much research. So what I'm trying to make my point is, whether we finish the event or not, if we're on the start line and started the course, we learn something, we know we learn or not, but we subconsciously learn something. If we are open to learning. So we all are a winner. Every place, everywhere, there is something to learn. Even in this event, I have lots to learn.
Yes.
So why every day we grow, and never compare yourself with some other. Compare yourself with yourself,
your past.
with your past, with your yesterday, right? Then you will feel the inner peace, inner happiness.
Wow.
And do not copy someone else's training model.
Wow.
Their training status, their body, the way they're doing will not work with you. Do what is best. If it doesn't work out, change it. Next, right? If you feel the improvement, then follow that. If you did not feel any improvement in your next ride, then something is wrong with your training. You should change it.
Thank you, John. Thank you.
Satyaki Pramanik, Anirban Talukdar, and Ronak Das. The team of 4 finished their journey from Digha to Ghum 53 hours. So 53 hours. Sachin is also our third finisher.
Sachin is there?
No.
So Aditya, can you please collect collecting Sachin's prize? Once of our promising rider. So that was the thing. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Sachin, for motivating and inspiring us again. Thank you.
Okay, so we are concluding this session by giving prize to Sachin, and also specially thanks to volunteers. They are the real backbones.
Few volunteers are just school pass out. Few volunteers are first year or second year college students who are building our examples of websites, our creatives. Few volunteers are working in some IT profession or some other private companies or in government companies also. They are sacrificing their family times, they are sacrificing their professional times, and they are involving in such activities. So a big applause and claps of those unsung heroes without whom these events cannot be possible.
Okay, so thank you everyone for trusting us and to participate in this big event. Hope in the next year we can add some more flavor, more challenges, and more colors. Thank you everyone.
For Coast to Crest. Hooray! 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 Hooray!